everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick video on how you can see the created date of a Dataverse table. So when that table was created. Now, as you can see, I'm in Power Apps and this is for the modern view. And if you come to tables, and I can see all my Dataverse tables here. So I'm just going to select into this test table here. And as you can see, there's no created date on the table properties. So if I come to tools here and select API link to table definition, this is going to open up the definition of the table. If I just now search for created, there we can see the created date here, and that was created on the 1st of the 9th, 2023. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and take care. Thank you.